चलो शामिर.
Hello everyone. So today we'll be talking about calories in versus calories out.
रुक
So
जाओ.
अच्छा.
इसके बारे में बात करिए डायरेक्टली इसके बारे में बात. चलो कर लो. लेकिन ये हेलो एवरीवन ना करो प्लीज.
यार
ये मैंने एक साल
मेरा
सुना
स्लोगन
है.
है यार.
एक साल सुना है.
हर
अब
वीडियो
मेरा
में hello
जो है ना बस खत्म हो गई मेरी बर्दाश्त. उस दिन भी उस वीडियो के अंदर भी आपने ये कहा हेलो
मेरा स्लोगन
एवरीवन.
है ना.
I think you should fix your intro. Just say, you know,
Hi guys.
hi guys.
Hi guys.
हेलो एवरीवन के अलावा कुछ भी कह लो.
This is part of the podcast, by the way. So just keep on
Oh.
rattling.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरे प्यारे भाइयों और बहनों.
Take two.
आज हम बात करेंगे खाना खा के उसको बर्न किस तरह करना है.
खाना बाद में खाएंगे. ये जो पूरा
मेरा
टेबल
खाना
जितना जो है ना
खाने
ये
की
बनवा लिया ना आपने. आपको पता है कि इस पॉडकास्ट का बजट इतना ज़्यादा नहीं था.
हाँ.
और आप बहुत महंगे पड़ रहे हो.
खैर यार.
इसलिए जो है ना वो
पिछले हफ्ते भी सारे wings इसने खाए हैं. शायद मैंने 2 खाए हों.
थोड़े से खाए थे. थोड़े से इन्होंने मंगवाए थे और मंगवाने चाहिए.
कितने मंगवाए थे?
15.
15 wings.
वो थोड़े होते हैं.
वैसे ही थोड़े होते.
I can eat more ना.
जैसे कितनी 7 मुर्गियाँ जो है वो मरी होंगी.
हाँ मगर wings ही निकले ना.
कोई हाल
ये मरने के लिए पैदा होती हैं.
So आज we've shifted towards heavier meal. We're gonna have an entire pizza, which I doubt we'll have all of it, but
Yeah,
we're gonna try.
हाँ वो देख लेते हैं ना कि शामिर कह रहे हैं कि वो सारे के सारे
Since I'm
पास
on a
हैं.
diet and both of them they don't follow a diet. Do you follow a diet?
Of course,
अच्छा,
Shamin,
he's
I
on a
follow
diet.
a diet.
He's finally on a diet.
लेकिन I can have it. कोई मसला नहीं.
I can also have it.
So calorie in versus calorie out.
Calories in versus calories. And by the way, I'll be eating this and staying in a diet. So I'll be counting this in my macros.
And you can check out, how to count calories through MyFitnessPal and that latest episode which we've released, episode number 2. So the link is going to be in the bio. So just to get knowledge about that, I would, ask all of you to go check it out because ये बहुत अजीब कॉन्सेप्ट है जो लोग कहते हैं ना कि अंदाजे से खाना है, ये खाना है, वो खाना है. तो पिछले हफ्ते हमने सारा उनको एक क्लियर करके बताया कि this is not how you're supposed to follow it. This is how you're supposed to, follow the right thing. So
if you're trying to be very precise, then yes. So calorie in versus calorie out.
Yeah.
Basically, that's the basic. When it comes to nutrition, that's the basic rule everyone should follow. अच्छा इसके साथ ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग किस्म का है कि लोग ये कहते हैं कि अगर आप कैलोरी इन वर्सेस कैलोरी आउट को फॉलो कर रहे हो देन यू कैन ईट व्हाटएवर यू वांट. दे आर राइट, बट डज द क्वालिटी और द सॉर्ट ऑफ फूड यू आर ईटिंग डज दैट मैटर? इट डज.
It does.
ठीक है. सो उसकी 2-3 वजूहात होती हैं. सबसे पहली वजह क्या होती है कि अगर आप फॉर एग्जांपल हाइपर पैलेबल फूड्स खा रहे हो, जिस तरीके से आइसक्रीम होगी, डोनट्स हो गया या कोई इस तरह की चीज़ें होंगी, तो आपको वो ज़्यादा देर के लिए जो है वो सेटिस्फाइड नहीं रखेंगे. ठीक है. तो आपको बार बार भूख लगेगी. ठीक है. और जब आपको बार बार भूख लगेगी तो उसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अपनी डाइट को फॉलो करना आपके लिए मुश्किल हो जाएगा. So that is one of the reasons it's better to eat something which is more filling. ठीक है. ये जो जिसको healthier कहते हैं, even though I mean we don't like using that term for food, but it's better to eat that way, or most of the time you should eat that way. Plus एक और जो बड़ी important चीज़ होती है वो ये होती है कि अगर आप अगर कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ खा रहे हो, जैसे कि if you're having ice cream, it hits your reward center, और एक दफ़ा आपने वो खा लिया तो it makes you hungrier, you want to eat more of it. ठीक है. So it gets back to the original point कि अगर आपने डोनट, आइसक्रीम, इस तरह की कोई चीज़ खा रहे हो तो you might want to eat more of it. ठीक है. So calorie in versus calorie out, बिल्कुल it works. कोई उसके अंदर वो नहीं है. और
I'm hungry.
go ahead, let's make it this.
You don't have a plate.
So basically we wanted to give information, but I don't
I'm
think
too
that's
hungry
possible.
for information.
Yeah.
let's just tuck it in from here. Yeah.
So
Guys.
you have to rate it as well.
I'll have to read it.
So I think the best way to eat this is how Masood Al does it, no?
Oh yeah, he makes a sandwich out of it.
A sandwich
And
out
that
of it.
just reminds me,
Sweet.
last time we discussed, when I was here, we discussed
ठंडा हो गया.
शामिर.
फिर भी सही है.
फिर भी अच्छा है देखने में. अच्छा हम उसको UFC 259 की बात करें.
Yeah. तो UFC 259, I forgot who was in it.
No, seriously, that's how good your pizza is. You're just getting old. Adesanya.
Adesanya versus Blachowicz. So we predicted Adesanya was going to win. Unfortunately, he didn't. But props to the guy for stepping up, facing the champion, surviving 5 rounds.
Yeah, but like,
वो edge नहीं था, वो spark नहीं था जो हर दफा when Adesanya comes to fight कि वो होता है ना कि he's whooping the guy non-stop, he has control. लेकिन एक चीज हमने सीख ली है from Khabib to anyone, wrestling is wrestling. You can't beat wrestling.
even at the end when Khabib met him, he said that you know why you won?
Yeah.
Because you went for takedowns.
Yeah.
Takedowns is wrestling, and wrestling is power.
Exactly.
So that's the base of MMA. I mean, no matter what you do,
Yeah.
either you need to have an exceptionally good defense against him, or better is that you should have like exceptionally good wrestling.
Yeah.
So that's what happened. Plus, he came a little lighter.
Yeah.
I think
He came in at
John was
200.
around 220,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
He came in at
200 dot. He came in
Yeah.
at 200 dot.
You could tell as well.
Yeah.
You could tell that he was like literally Adesanya was the smaller guy.
Yeah, but he has a very strong chin. मतलब कि एक बहुत जानदार बंदे से इसने जो मुक्के भी खाए थे, that he easily absorbed it. मतलब I was shocked with the fact कि you know middleweight going up to light heavyweight. लेकिन एक चीज डिस्कस करते हैं खबीब की रिटायरमेंट.
Yeah, उससे पहले the dream fight is gone, by the way. I don't think that now.
I'm not gonna have this now.
Yeah. Two dream fights at one. One is John Jones is not fighting Adesanya.
Yeah.
I don't think that that's going to happen unless John Jones loses in heavyweight.
And then comes back down to light heavyweight.
But I don't think he will.
Yeah.
I've seen the last few videos. The guy is looking sharp.
Yeah.
He's looking big and sharp at the same time.
I wanted to ask you something. He's been fighting at 205 all his life. वो वेट तो वो कैरी कर रहा है अपना, बहुत अच्छा कैरी करता है. आपके ख्याल से 6 महीने में वजन चढ़ा के मसल, ठीक है ना, would he be able to carry himself and would his body be able to perform on such short notice कि ये heavy weight में जाके उस तरह लड़ेगा?
We don't know. We don't know. जब तक कि ये हो नहीं जाएगा उतनी देर तक किसी को कुछ पता नहीं है.
Yeah.
और दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि when I say he's looking sharp, he still has quite good speed. The आखिरी जो sparring video मैंने देखी है, it looks really good. So that fight is gone. The other one, the Conor fans should be like all mad because Khabib is gone after
Khabib
beating.
is gone, yeah.
So that fight is gone as well, which is a good thing because second time around उसको ज़्यादा बुरे तरीके से मार पड़ी थी.
True.
तो अच्छी बात है कि वो खत्म हो गया. The surprising one was they're going for the belt, Oliveira and
versus Chandler,
which is insane.
Yeah. अब उसका reason what I believe is कि Poirier wants money, Conor is money. He got
But
paid.
they're not like उन्होंने अभी तक उनको book नहीं किया हुआ.
नहीं बुक नहीं किया हुआ. जो speculation है वो है July 10th के कार्ड के लिए. They're gonna book it because that card is free right now.
हाँ.
और Poirier, of course, अगर आपको champion बनते हुए you're getting paid $200,000 and to fight Conor you're getting 1.5 million. You're gonna choose 1.5 million.
Definitely.
ये जो अभी दो मतलब top contenders and plus they're number 3 and number 4. Oliveira is number 3, Chandler is number 4.
बेहतर पता है क्या होता कि ये
interim championship
और
होती है.
उसके साथ दूसरे वाला जो जीता then आप
Yeah.
फाइल करते. लेकिन Chandler after just winning one fight, I don't know. I mean, no matter how good he is,
Yeah.
he just won one fight.
That's
in
it,
his
yeah.
career. That's it. और उसके बाद directly you're giving him a chance to earn a belt.
Yeah.
I don't know. So I don't agree. So tomorrow is that
Derek Brunson
and the
versus
big mouth guy.
Kevin Holland.
Yeah. That would be very
That's a
very
very good
interesting.
fight. I think Kevin Holland is going to win
Uh-huh.
because Brunson has not performed very well in his last few fights. After the Adesanya fight, he's been
I
on
think
a
he beat that Ronda Rousey का जो जिसको मैनेज कर रही है
Travis-
Shibazian or something, that guy. Brunson beat him.
Okay, in his last fight.
Last fight.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think it will be a very interesting fight.
Yeah.
But my bet is on him as well.
Yeah.
और second हम लोगों ने कहा था कि जो female वाली थी, that was like Megan Anderson थी और Nunes. That was like a one-sided, just like beat down. So I
That
don't know
was-
what they'll do with 145.
No, the
now.
145 division is finished.
अच्छा,
Yeah,
they're done with
and Nunes, Megan Anderson, she has been cut off from the UFC now.
Oh yeah, that was her last fight.
That was her
as
last
well.
fight as well.
Oh.
She's been cut off. I heard that she's going to PFL now.
अच्छा अच्छा
तो मतलब 45 division is completely finished.
हाँ
अब 35 में होएगा. Amanda will remain, मतलब of course no
I think
defense.
145 should be
Yeah.
because I think they came up with the idea when they wanted Chris Cyborg
Yeah,
to come to
it was only for Chris Cyborg.
and once Chris Cyborg went away I don't
Yeah.
think there was anyone else
True.
even though Megan Anderson was 145 a true 145 but even I mean that wasn't even a competitive fight so
अब now what I think is कि Oliveira और Chandler में I think if Chandler lands the hook, it's all good. If he takes Oliveira to the ground, Oliveira submits him. Because you see what he did to
Chandler's wrestling is really good.
Yeah,
He's
but
a good wrestler.
You see what he did to Ferguson.
Dude, I always thought that Ferguson was more of a hype train.
Acha?
Yeah, I never like he's an extremely good fighter, of course, but I never thought that he was like as good as Khabib, or people were comparing him to Khabib, or even Conor. So I don't know, but yeah, it will be an interesting fight. I'll go with Oliveira because I really want him to win.
Yeah.
Chandler doesn't deserve to be in the in belt position to earn a belt. So yeah, I want him to win. So anyway, that's my prediction. You're going with Oliveira as well.
I'm going with Oliveira all the way. Because वो फायदा नहीं है ना मतलब Chandler एक बंदे को उसने who's not even in the top 10 he beats a number 6 contender and now he's going for the title. I mean the UFC has gone bonkers. I don't know what's happening कि मतलब वो ranking system तो कभी follow हुआ ही नहीं है ना मतलब UFC में बहुत कम follow होता है और जो अब ये कर दिया है no one's gonna buy it पहली बात. I hope the card is stacked.
I
Otherwise,
think Abhi, though, they're going with the live audience as well, no?
Yeah,
Is
Houston
this the
में.
card?
No,
that's a
this is
different
not the
card.
card. It's Masvidal versus Usman.
Oh yeah. That's
Movie.
a great.
That's a great card.
That's a great card.
Great
actually.
card.
उसके साथ आपकी
Nama Yunus, Lily Zhang. फिर
yes.
उसके बाद Jessica Andrade और Shevchenko.
I think Bullet should fight Nunes again. I know she lost
Yeah,
twice, but
yeah.
I mean the only competitive fight is her.
Yeah, that's
Simple.
it. Nothing
For
else
Nunes,
makes sense.
no one else
Yeah.
makes sense at all.
But I think she'll retire very quickly. He doesn't know anything about martial arts, so मतलब we're the martial art geeks.
I don't watch two guys fighting, okay? That's not my thing.
There are not only guys, there are
Every-
ladies as well fighting. So
नहीं ये
Not a fan.
I don't agree with him. जब भी कोई लड़ाई हुई है तुमने देख के रोका नहीं है पूरी लड़ाई देखी है ना कहानी खत्म
लड़ाई देख के रोका बाद में
Many.
That's what I expect from you. You're like मार मूर ले उसके बाद देखते हैं. In your head you place a bet as well. Oh, he'll beat him.
I would.
Yeah. So ये हो गया और बाकी Khabib had already retired. अब ये वैसे उसके पीछे पड़े हुए थे.
I have a feeling.
He'll come back. No.
I have a gut feeling.
No way.
Because उसका manager is
I know.
is a rat.
I know.
I was gonna say
That's
he's a
a
rat,
call.
but it's all planned. He did the same with Cejudo. Cejudo's gonna come back.
Cejudo, I absolutely agree
Yeah.
with that. But I don't think Khabib will. If Khabib comes back, I think a lot of people will hate him for it.
They're just waiting for stars to align. मैं आपको बताता हूँ जो मेरा दिमाग में प्लान बना हुआ है. Oliveira versus Chandler for the championship. Okay. McGregor versus Poirier 3. Let's
McGregor
suppose
wins.
McGregor wins. One of them wins. McGregor goes for the title, captures it. In an insane world, I don't think it's gonna happen anymore. If it happens, then he's gonna start talking, yapping.
He can do whatever. This is what's gonna happen. Khabib will stay retired. He'll become a coach. He'll coach Islam, and Islam will fight for the title eventually in a year and a half.
Imagine
But
if Islam fights Conor.
That will be like
And
crazy.
if Conor beats Islam,
then
he's gonna
comes
come back. Okay.
That will be such a
Guys, I
then
think
it will be
nobody
a-
has predicted this until now
yeah,
except
that
us.
will be such a massive fight.
Oh.
Then Khabib will definitely come back.
वो तो
Whenever
grudge
like,
match वो अपने भाई का
बिल्कुल.
बदला लेने आएगा.
हाँ. But like other than that, I
Yeah.
don't see him coming back because अब क्योंकि Dara ने भी क्योंकि Dara invited Lorenzo as well.
Yeah.
By the way. So he really wanted him to fight. He wanted to convince
Yeah.
him through whatever source he could.
Yeah.
But he didn't.
और कबीर अपना छोटा कजन उस्मान ले गया था
हाँ.
कि वो भी बेटा ये आगे I'm back I'm
back.
gone I'm
Yeah.
gone.
And it's a good thing.
Yeah.
It's a good. So अच्छी बात है.
अच्छा I wanted you know I have Diet Coke a lot ठीक है ना तो I wanted to you know ask you कि people say that नहीं weight gain होता है इसमें sweetener डला हुआ है ये वो but I was reading an article which I discussed with Dawood as well earlier if you have round about 600 cans a day, then you might have a chance of getting cancer from diet soda.
Yeah.
What's your take on diet soda?
So in simple words, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it.
Okay.
So you can have it, and कुछ भी नहीं होगा. Right? Normal consumption के अंदर कुछ भी नहीं होगा. Actually, with some people, it helps them to stay on a diet.
Okay.
Because it feels either it kills the sugar craving, or just like what water does.
Yeah.
It just like takes away a bit of hunger. So nothing's gonna happen. So you can have it, no problem at all. Shamin, what do you think?
I have it.
How's the pizza? You forgot.
You're
to
just
enjoy
like
it.
slowing down. ना ऐसे ऐसे करके ना
Too many carbs
इसके
in my
नीचे
body.
हाँ
Too many carbs in my body.
So yeah, कोई उसके अंदर मसला नहीं है. Sometimes people need to just see what happens once they have coffee or a diet soda or something. If it's triggering something, if it's making them hungrier, they want to eat something else afterwards, then fine. But like it's safe. So far, whatever research we have in quantities which are considered to be moderate, you will be fine.
Okay.
You should have it. If it helps you, it aids you to stay on a diet plan, you should absolutely have it. So कोई मसला नहीं है उसमें.
Alright, done.
So we're gonna rate this.
It was a good pizza. I'll rate it 7. I think.
This is like 14th Street, right?
Yeah, this is 14th Street.
14th Street is right next.
Yeah,
to
right next to us. That's why we ordered it because time bhi kam tha and we had ordered pepperoni. But I would have this. I'm having 14th Street after a very long time. Pizza ka to.
For it's like
Not the best,
Not the best.
Hmm.
This is not the best. I would give it like 5.5 to 6. ठीक है?
I won't waste my cheap day on this.
So कितने?
5, 6.
6, right? That's like you after eating five slices.
Look at his face. Compared
You're
to
like,
the last
of course-
podcast.
Now you're just like sick of it because of the quantity you had.
No, I just had. This is the second slice.
No way.
I'm planning for the third one now.
Acha, but it's not that great.
No,
I
it's
mean,
not.
there
I
are
would love to, but I will.
हमारे Saturdays के नाश्ते बहुत बदल गए हैं पिछले 2-3 हफ्तों से.
Pizza से नींद आ जाती है. I feel sleepy.
आपको वैसे भी आ जाती है शामिर. आपका इसके साथ कोई ताल्लुक नहीं. आप कुछ भी.
If you eat a lot, you eat sleepy. I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys,
That's it.
that's it. Episode number 3. Like, subscribe, and share. ठीक है ना? And please let us know what I have the next time. And please, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. We're here to help you out and to discuss fitness and food just in general. Like, subscribe, and share. Episode number 3 drops very, very soon.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.